Powerhouse Cordless Palm Sander. Let's unbox. User Manual. 3 pieces sandpaper. 1 piece dust bag. 1 piece vacuum hose adapter. Powerhouse Cordless Palm Sander bare unit only. How to assemble this power tool. Attach the sandpaper and install the dust bag to contain the sawdust. Connect the Powerhouse lithium-ion battery and make sure it's fully charged before operating. Hold firmly and grip the palm sander securely with your hand for better control and to reduce vibration. For wood sanding, sand in the direction of the wood grain to avoid scratches. Let the cordless palm sander do the work. Apply light pressure to prevent overheating and reduce wear on the pad.